Unveiling the incredible benefits of chia seeds. Number 1. Hydration. When soaked in water or other liquids, chia seeds form a gel-like substance that helps retain moisture. This property can aid in hydration, making chia seeds a popular choice for athletes and individuals with active lifestyles. Number 2. Energy boost. Chia seeds are a concentrated source of energy, thanks to their balanced combination of protein, healthy fats, and carbohydrates. Adding chia seeds to your pre-workout snack or meal can provide sustained energy and enhance performance during physical activity. Number 3. Skin health. The omega-3 fatty acids and antioxidants found in chia seeds can help promote healthy skin by reducing inflammation, supporting collagen production, and protecting against free radical damage. You can also use chia seed oil topically as a moisturizer or in homemade skincare recipes. Subscribe and follow on other social media platforms.
Please subscribe my channel and press the bell icon.